Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this yardstick door swag. Now you can also use this as a centerpiece or a garland. For this DIY, you're going to need one yardstick, and we cut about 5 inches off the end of ours. You're going to need 2 rolls of the 10-inch Deco mesh, and mine came from Hobby Lobby. You could spray paint your yardstick first if you wanted to, but it is pouring down rain right now and cold, so I did not paint mine. It's raining so hard that you can probably hear the rain right now. You will also need some pipe cleaners. So you're going to take your yardstick, move down a couple inches, take a pipe cleaner, twist it to the left side, take a second pipe cleaner, wrap it around the yardstick, and you're going to twist this one to the right side. Then you're going to take a third pipe cleaner, and this time you're going to twist it and leave it pointed toward the ceiling. You are going to want to repeat this same process all the way down your yardstick. So move down about 4 or 5 inches and add another set of pipe cleaners. Same steps, twist one to the left, one to the right, and one leave pointed to the center or ceiling. For this Valentine's Day yardstick door swag, I did 7 sets of pipe cleaners. Now I make yardstick door swags or garlands or centerpieces for just about every season and holiday, so I have lots of tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I try to do each one a little bit different. Next, you're going to take your 10-inch Deco mesh, gather it in your hand, and we're going to make a bubble for the top of our door swag. So pinch it tightly in your hand, go to the top center pipe cleaner, and twist the pipe cleaner around your Deco mesh. Now we're going to be making poofs or puffs all the way down the center of our yardstick. So you're just going to be using these center pipe cleaners to go all the way down it. So try to make your poofs or puffs about the same size each time. Go to your center pipe cleaner and twist it around your Deco mesh. Do this all the way down your yardstick. When you get to the bottom, leave a long tail. Now remember, the Deco mesh is going to roll up or curl up, so leave it a little bit longer than you think you want it. Okay, so this is how it looks with poofs all the way down the center. Next, we're going to be adding some woodland ruffles, and we're going to cut our strips of Deco mesh at 22 inches. You will want your Deco mesh to curl up toward the ceiling. Take one end, roll it a few times, add a chip clip or clothespin. Go to the opposite end, roll it a few times, and then you're going to take your fingers and just walk it up the center of your Deco mesh until you get to the other end. Remove the chip clip or clothespin, and then you have a beautiful woodland ruffle or little bow tie or ruffle, whatever you like to call it. And then now we're going to be adding to the center pipe cleaners, we're going to be adding woodland ruffles. So find that center pipe cleaner and twist it around your ruffle. Now this method, the woodland ruffle method, I don't know who came up with it, but it's a wonderful method, and lots of times, you know, you have a lot of fraying with Deco mesh, and so this kind of keeps down the fraying, so it's a wonderful method to use. This wreath is going to be nice and full and fluffy. So you're going to make woodland ruffles all the way down the center of your yardstick. Once you have that finished, you're going to make woodland ruffles for the left and right side all the way down your yardstick. There are lots of different ways to tie bows for your wreaths, and I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. So if you don't like this bow, let me know and I'll try to link another one for you if you'll kind of describe what you're looking for. Make sure you dovetail the ends. Just take the end, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. Then you'll want to fluff the loops of your bow, and you'll want to use ribbon with wire because the loops will stand up and the bow just holds its shape better. Now I also tied a smaller bow for the bottom of the door swag. You will want to leave the wires on your bow long because you're going to take those wires and you're going to go to the top of the yardstick and you're going to thread the wires through the Deco mesh. It's better to thread the wires through the Deco mesh, and that way you don't change the shape of your wreath. So just thread them through, then go to the back, give the wires a few twists, then cut them off short. Now to hang up your yardstick door swag, you're going to want to drill a hole in the top of your yardstick, then add a wire or twine or some type of string so that you can hang it up. I ordered this sign from Craft Outlet online, and it has holes in it on the left and right side, so I just added some twine and then attached it right under my bow. When you have your yardstick door swag finished, you'll want to go back and cut some strips of felt and cover the back of your yardstick. You do not have to hang this up on your door. These make beautiful garlands. Lots of people tell me that they make these and put these on their front porch, their railing on their front porch, and it looks great. Lots of people use these on their mantle, and then these make gorgeous centerpieces. Just change up the placement of the bows, maybe add some battery-powered LED lights. So there's lots of different ways, and like I said, I have lots of tutorials, so if you want some more ideas and options, let me know, and I'll try to link a tutorial for you. Here I'm just taking some of the ribbon, same ribbon that I used to make the bow, and I'm just kind of zigzagging it down my door swag, just using those pipe cleaners to twist in the ribbon. Now when you get finished also with your door swag, you're going to want to clip those pipe cleaners short. After I clipped my pipe cleaner short, I added some hearts that I picked up at Walmart, and I also have my Walmart Valentine's Day shopping haul at the end of this video, so if you want to keep watching it, you can. So by having your pipe cleaners, it's so easy to attach ribbon to your yardstick door swag. I'm just taking my ribbon, finding a pipe cleaner, and twisting it around the ribbon. This door swag ends up being really full and fluffy. I just love the way it turns out with all the woodland ruffles and the poofs, and then there's the little sign I added, plus here's 3 heart ornaments. They're so pretty. I picked these up at Walmart and they were like less than $2, I believe. I just used the pipe cleaner to hold the ornaments in place, and then if they're moving and not like you want, you could always add a little hot glue to the back of them, and that way they'll stay in place. And then to the top I added some heart picks, and I just cut the pick a little bit shorter, added some hot glue to the end of it, and then pushed it into the top of the wreath and held it for a little while so that the glue has time to set up. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I like to use Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and I have mine set on low temp. So just add your picks, and then don't forget to go back and cut those pipe cleaners short. And then here I'm just hot gluing on some of these, I don't know if it's called table scatter or what it is, from Walmart, but just I put it right over the pipe cleaners, then I held it for a little while, and this is the way it looks hanging on my door. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share. Also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Next, I have my mini Valentine's Day shopping haul from Walmart. I wanted to show you real quick my Walmart Valentine's Day shopping haul. Yesterday, I uploaded a Walmart Valentine's Day shop with me video, so I hope you've been able to check that one out. So this is what I bought. I bought 3 of these large Valentine's Day hanging decor $1.98 heart ornaments. I think they're really pretty. So I got 3 of those, and then for 98 cents you get a little pack of these adorable heart picks. So cute. So I picked up 2. This one has some white hearts in it. Then for 50 cents each, I picked up some more heart picks. Sorry if you hear Parker, he's down on the floor. So I picked up those pretty heart picks, and then these 2, I don't know if it's table scatter or what it is, but they're hearts, and it comes for $2.88, 13 in a package. So I'm going to be using all of this on my yardstick, Valentine's Day yardstick door swag that I'm just about ready to make.